friends, welcome to my channel Tutel Age. I am pleased to inform you that the Learning for Life channel has been name changed to Tutel Age because some other person has also kept the channel name as Learning for Life. So in search bar if we apply, only that channel is coming. So I found an idea and I changed this to Tutel Age. So in today's video we are going to see basic geometrical ideas chapter 4. In that we are going to see exercise 4.2 and 4.3. Since it is both are easy exercise, in your exercise 4.2 you have only 3 sums and in your exercise 4.3 you have only 2 sums. So I merged both and I am taking it as a single video. So if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and comment, and also click the bell button and surely subscribe for all the maths and science related videos and also some beauty related videos. Now come, let's get into the video. So your first question, they have given name the angles in the given figure. So you are going to name the angles. This is the figure given. You are going to name the angles in this given figure A, B, C, D. So you name it D, A, B. Angle A we named. Now we are going to name angle B. A, B, C is your next angle. So angle B we named. The center one is the angle. Okay. Next is angle C. B, C, D. Next C, D, A. So these are the 4 angles. I hope you understand. So this is your next sum. In the given diagram, name the points in. So this is your diagram given. Okay, in that you have to name the points in the interior of DOE. Where is DOE? DOE. What is the interior point? B. So your point is B. Okay. Interior of DOE. Sorry. DOE. What is the interior point? It is on the point. Okay. So this is the point interior. So your answer is A. Did you understand? Okay. Sorry, I made a mistake. Next one. Point exterior of EOF. Point exterior of EOF. So what are the exterior points? C, then D, then A. C, D, A. See, EOF, exterior point C, exterior point A, exterior point D. Okay, so this is the exterior points. Points on EOF. So on EOF, what are the points? B, then E is also on EOF, O, F, B, O, F. So this is the points on EOF. Did you understand? Now let's move on to the next sum. So this is your next sum. Third sum, draw a rough diagram of 2 angles such that they have 1 point in common. First we are going to see 1 point in common. So this is one angle, this is one angle, and this is the common point. So we are naming the ray B, A, C. So this is the 1 point that is common for these 2 angles. Did you understand? Okay. Now 2 points in common. O, A, naming the ray. Here you have C, here you have D. These 2 points are common to this one angle. If you make another line and name it as E, now 2 angles, because they said 2 angles, right? So this 2 points are common to the 2 angles. Okay. Next, 3 points in common. This is 2 angles. Naming this O and naming the rays B and C. Okay. Now 3 point in common. O is 1 point. Then D is 1 point. E is 1 point. O, D, E is the 3 points common to the 2 angles. Did you understand? Now 4 point in common. I am drawing here. Same way, similarly you are drawing 4 point in common. So O, A, B, naming the ray, So D, E, F. So O, D, E, F is the 4 point in common to the two angles. Okay. Did you understand? Okay. Next, one ray in common. So you draw 3 rays. O, A, B, C. So OA is a common ray to both OB and OC with the two angles. Okay, so that's all this sum. With this exercise 4.2 is completed. Now let's move on to exercise 4.3. So next sum, in exercise 4.3, your first sum, draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. So you are going to draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC. Okay. Mark a point P in its interior. So I am marking a point P in its interior. Okay. And point Q in its exterior. I am marking a point Q in its exterior. Is the point A in its exterior or its interior? So they are asking this point A in its interior or exterior. Can you say? It is neither interior or nor exterior because the point A is a vertex. Okay, point A is vertex. Neither interior, it is neither interior nor exterior. Did you understand? So now let's move on to the next sum. So now let's move on to the last sum in your exercise 4.3. Identify 3 triangles in the figure. So the figure is given here. You have to identify 3 triangles. So I can identify triangle A, B, C. Okay. Then I can identify this triangle ABD. Triangle A, B, D. Okay. Then identify this triangle ACD and triangle ACT. Okay, did you understand? Now write the name of 7 angles. You have to identify 7 angles. So how you will write angles? You have to write like this only. Okay, this one you can either write like this or put a triangle in the front. Okay, both are correct. So let's put triangle in the front. That will be fine. Okay, now write the name of 7 angles. What are the angles? Triangle A, B, C. So B is your angle here. Then B, A, C. A is your angle here. Then A, D, D. D is your angle here. D, C, A. C is your angle here. Now BAC over. Then what else? C. What else, children? CAB. Can you write? Reverse of this. CAB. That is one angle. Angle A here. Then CBA. That is also one angle. Reverse of this. Then BDA. How much I am getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the 7 angles. Did you understand? Next one. Write the names of 6 line segments. You are going to write the name of 6 line segments. So AB. You have to write line segments like this only. AB, a small dash above. Okay. Then BC. BD, DC, CA, AD, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we wrote 6 line segments. Did you understand? So this is how you, with the given diagram, you have, if you know the concept, you have to apply the concept and write the answers. Okay. Which 2 angles have angle B as common? So which 2 angles? Angle ABD, okay, and then angle ABC is having B as common. Okay, so with this your exercise 4.3 is completed. So in your upcoming videos we can see the further exercise. So again I am saying, if you like my video, please watch, like, share, subscribe, click the bell button and comment without fail. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.